Can you tell Mommy again what you were doing? When I was putting Annika to sleep.
I was eating sugar.
Oh. Oh. Out of where?
On that chair.
Uh-huh. How was it?
Yummy.
Were you supposed to be doing that?
Nope.
No. Was that a very good choice?
Nope.
No.
And my hands are sticky.
Yeah.
Huh?
No.
I can touch my apron.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to tell me anything else? That's about it, huh? Yeah. What are we going to do now?
Make brownies.
Yeah, we're going to make brownies. What does brownies have in it?
Sugar.
It does. Lots of sugar? What else?
I don't know.
Yeah. I love you.
I love you.